Hey everyone! So I went ahead and did the white already because it took me quite a while to lay the white and get all the air bubbles out. So I'm going to do, I believe it's an 18-inch wooden round. Ann Osborne does them all the time and I just love them, so I thought I'm going to try one. I said one. So I'm going to do probably a rainbow of colors. I'm going to use a 5 ounce flip cup and do like our flip and drag. So I'm going to go ahead and spray my cup with the WD-40 and get that rubbed in. So my color palette is black, Prussian blue, deep magenta, vermilion, and let me see what this yellow is. I can tell you as I'm filling the cup. How's that sound? That way we don't get distracted. Okay. It takes up all my space here. Okay, so I'm going to start with black. Not a lot. I tried to get this as level as I could. I haven't seen anything dripping in one specific area, so. Okay, so I'm using Soho Prussian Blue. I have my black in the cup already, and just very tiny little bit. And then I'll go with the deep magenta, and I believe this is Artist Loft. Deep magenta. This will dry darker than what it is. I might put just, I'm going to put just a touch of crimson red in there because that pink is not red enough. Okay, just a touch. And then I'm going to put some, this is a Premier brand, Vermilion. And the yellow is, it's Premier brand as well. Okay, that's it. No more. I'm just going to give it a tiny swirl with a toothpick because I don't want to move it around too much. So that's it. Tiny little bit. It's about less than ½ inch. I'm going to flip it right in the middle. And wait for my paint to drop. I was kind of envious of her, all her pretty rounds. I thought, well, I'll try one. Every time we go to Home Depot, my husband's like, there they are. Yep, there they are. And I finally bought one. It's not a heavy piece of wood either. They're quite light, so it must be pine. Okay, I want to go back and pick up some color. It's all over here. All I want to do, and of course my magenta is gone and the black took over, but we're going to really stretch this out because I want it more than just a thin line. So I have it on my turntable, my banding wheel as well. yellow. The edges are fanning out pretty already. Okay. Not much stretch to it. Okay, so we're really going to airbrush, and we're probably going to have a lot of black. I have that patch of yellow there. Let's see if I can add a little bit of the magenta. Just so when I airbrush it out, we'll have some color. There's a lot of color there. All right, let's play, because I want to play. I want to play with the airbrush. And I love the way it went over the sides. It's pretty. Okay, where do I want to start? All the colors on the edges, it's so pretty. I'm going to tip it a little bit because there's still a lot of white there. Okay, that's better. When I can see it moving, then I know the white's going. Yep, he's dripping. Now let's do the other side. That's going to be a lot of black and pink. All my yellows and stuff right there. I'm even airbrushing the edge here. Not that it'll stay. There's a little blue there. I want to pick up that magenta. There we go. losing it here. I love this right here. What do you think, guys? It's pretty cool, isn't it? I have that patch of blue there. I don't go too much because I'll get mud. I think I'm going to leave it alone. Let's torch it. They sell these at Home Depot, so people that make their own little tables. They're just tabletops. A couple of coats of gesso. And on the back, I prep it like I do my albums with the electrical tape and wax paper. Something different. Instead of the same olds, huh? So if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and click below. Click on the little bell next to the subscribe button and you'll be notified when I upload the next video. Click like and share and leave a comment. Join me on Facebook at Christina Welch Art. And if you need to email me, my email is christinawelchart@yahoo.com. And that's for all of you that don't do Facebook, if you need to talk to me about something. Yes, this is beautiful. Let me see if I can lift it up without moving it too much. I'm loving it. This one's going to be a keeper, I think. I think it's going to hang right out here in my studio. All right. So, we have accomplished our 18-inch wooden round. I came, I saw, I went, right? Isn't that how they say it? I came, I saw, I went. I came, I saw, I did. I'm going. Yeah, I'm happy. All right, guys, I will see you on the next one. Stay tuned. Bye now.